What is up? Welcome to the Midnight Club, and welcome to another segment of Midnight's Good Gear. And I got another one for you guys. All right, it's a very niche one. Okay, I definitely can tell you that it's not gonna be, it's not gonna solve all your problems as far as a nice tripod. This is the Ulanzi MT-11 flexible tripod. I usually like taking this when I'm going hiking or I know that it's not gonna have even ground. And these arms on here are pretty flexible and pretty sturdy. Like, they'll stay in the shape that you leave them on, right? I try to find a piece of gear and see if I can make some good shots just with using that. And yeah, I think this is very essential, hiking or vlogging. Perfect. But yeah, I got some dope shots that I filmed just the other day, so let's check out the clips that I got with this. Okay. All right, so the first shot we got right here is just gonna be on this bench. I just put it right here, and then it's gonna be me sitting in this cool egg chair that I found on this hike. So let's check that out. All right, so this is where you can really see how you can use this thing. All right, I got it wrapped around this tree branch that I found right here, and I'm gonna be getting this other side of this egg chair that I'm gonna be sitting in. So this is a shot right here, so let's check that out. All right, so I got it right here on the floor, and I'm gonna be getting my feet just right there. So it's just gonna be from my knees down, getting me kind of like moving around in the chair. Much flexibility, much wow. Okay, can you see how that is wrapped around that? That ain't going nowhere, bud. All right, so here's another shot loaded, and then yeah, let's check that out. So this one, I was really testing it. All right, I was like, how can I mount this in the most weirdest way possible? So I found this post, and then I was like, all right, I'm gonna just mount it there. Hopefully it didn't fall, which it didn't. It did fall later, but hey, anything for the best shot, right? Okay, excuse the wind, it's a little windy right now, but there's another shot that I got loaded right here. I would probably use this as a reference. It's probably as big of a thing that you can wrap it around safely. But I'm gonna be getting a shot of me just like fishing right here. Okay, here's another dope shot that I'm gonna get right here. Got it on this bench. I'm gonna be getting me on that rock, and it looks so dope because the sun ray, you can see the sun rays shooting over the mountain, and it just looks so nice. All right, what do you think? Do you think this is something that you could use? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite gear that you've bought so far in 2024. This might not be my favorite, but definitely something that I can see myself using a lot. Definitely a lot of situations where I could have used this in the past. But yeah, I categorize that as some good gear. I gave this one thumbs up. But yeah, drop a like, drop a sub if you want. I'm not gonna force you, okay? But yeah, you guys have a good one. Peace.